Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract the audio from the video in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So open the CapCut apps and select media and import your video that you like to edit. And I already imported video, and alright, just add to the track, and then you can right click on the clip and right click, and you can select extract the audio and appears the audio. Right. For another way, you can go to audio and select extracted audios and click import and select video that you like to extract, and here's the extracted. Just add to the track. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.